How to create dashboard in AppSheet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a dashboard in AppSheet. Go to www.appsheet.com and sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. Select an existing app or click Make a new app and connect your data source like Google Sheets, Excel, or Airtable. In the left sidebar, click on the UX tab to manage views. Create a new view by clicking the plus button at the top of the Views section. Give your dashboard a name like Main Dashboard. Under View Type, select Dashboard from the drop-down list. Assign to a position, optional. Choose if you want the dashboard to appear in the menu, bottom bar, or detail view. Select which views to include in your dashboard like charts, tables, or galleries. Use interactive mode or responsive layout to control how the views display. Toggle interactive mode to allow filtering across views based on user selections. Click Save or Done to apply the changes. Use the Preview or Test on Device feature to check how the dashboard looks and behaves. Thanks for watching.